Hi everybody, it's Chartsky. Hadn't posted any videos in a long time. As probably most of you already know, my blog was knocked offline for quite a bit when my friend let the server go, and anyway, that's all fixed now, so we can start making and posting videos and putting them on the blog and rebuild that back up. Here's the first in a series that I'm going to do from the last few weeks, I guess. We've had a really good month in February. We had a really good month in January. And this is from February 24th, just last Friday. Pretty much the entire morning session of the live trading room as it happened. Okay, we're in gold. Still looking for a retracement in crude oil back up to our little zone up there. 20 ticks for the target in gold. I'm not sure we're going to be able to get in, but let's go try and get in at 106, 100 in the euro on a sell. Let's drop it down to 106.090 in the euro for a sell. 16 ticks. And we'll lower the sell in crude oil down to 53.90. 53.90. That should get us in it. 16 ticks in the euro if we can get a fill. 20 tick target in gold. And we'll go for 15 in crude oil. Come on, gold. Push a little bit. 20 ticks. All right, we're in euro and gold now. 16 ticks all out. We may not get in crude oil, but we won't need it. I mean, either one of these trades, gold and the euro, would be good. We missed it. There's the turn. All right, let's take crude oil off. Let's manage the euro and gold, okay? 20 ticks is our target in gold, 16 in the euro. And I'm about to go break even in both of them. They've just kind of dinked down. All right, break even in gold, break even in the euro. Sorry about missing crude oil, but just didn't get up there. By there, I mean to that little zone we were looking for. All right. Ooh, I didn't even mark it, did I? All right, we got the euro. Let's see if we can get gold. 20 ticks. So it looks like we're going to get the cap off a great week with another great day. Great month. You wouldn't be wrong to take 15 ticks out in gold if you wanted to. That'd be 12.59. It's slowing down. That's what I'm going to do. Let's just take 15 sure. I'd rather have a sure 15. What's that old saying? Pigs get fat, hogs get slaughtered. We don't want this one to turn around and not give us anything. Now remember what we've been talking about with trailing these trades? And this is a perfect example. You can't trail here. So let's see if it'll push them. Boy, we got whip, whip, whip in crude oil, hadn't we? All right, we've had to sit through a pullback in gold, so I'm going back to the 20-tick target. I'm going to make it pay us for sitting through a retracement. 20 ticks in gold. I thought it was going to come down there and give us one extra tick right quick, at least before it did this, but it didn't, so we'll just price action. We'll let that tell us where to put the target. Could get down a little bit under 1258, so could have, 5 to 8 more ticks left in it on this next push, but we'll get out at 58.5. Plenty early. I'll sell the low down there in crude oil for 10 ticks if it'll break 53.76, which is the low right here. See if we can get a little add-on. We still only have one cleared, which is, the euro. We're still working on this guy, and it could come all the way back. I don't think it will, but till we hear that target filled. Boy, this thing turned down really good and strong, and now it's just kind of fizzled. Remember, it's in a good old strong uptrend, so we got to be careful about this. Gold is in a strong uptrend here. But we're okay, we're break even. And this is not one we're going to reverse and go with a trend on in gold. $20 ticks. Let's just give it a chance to work. Let's watch crude oil down there at the low, 76, 53.76. We'll sell it down there for 10 ticks. It's the kind of price action that'll suck you into a bad trade, so you got to know what you want to do and why. If gold had turned down and hit our target before we get into crude oil, then that'd just be it. We'll be call it a day again. Trying to work down. Right there was the 15 ticks it hit on. Should go on through there. Again, there's nothing wrong with taking 15 ticks. I think it's going to go down farther, so 5 ticks, 5 ticks, 5 ticks, it adds up. If nothing else, we'll just have to wait a little longer for the 20 ticks. Those of you that took 15, well, you're out right now. And you're done for the morning, and you can hit the golf course. I'll be there and join you in a few minutes. Boy, oh boy, that euro's really coming down hard, isn't it? 105,900 is this next sell in the euro. Under that SR level here. Just telling you so you can follow along. I would expect it to push down and come back. But it may be a runaway freight train. It's hitting on that SR level. It's amazing, just sometimes it's the low of the session or the high of the session. These SR levels, they just hold so solidly, but this is a big sell-off. It sure stopped that down move cold. But there could be a bunch more banks wanting to sell, wanting to transfer out of the euro currency, wanting to hedge, all these other things you do with futures. Let's see here. Crude oil's coming up a little bit. It's going to get to that little zone, looks like. Let's sell 54 in crude oil for 15 ticks coming down if we can get in. Well, we're still waiting on our gold trade. Can't count our chickens until they're hatched in gold here. Let's see, we're coming into 9:30 here in 8 minutes or so. And we got some other things we can do then. Alright, the euro's underneath that level. I'm going to go ahead and sell 105. Let's go in one tick under it. If we can get in, that kind of fell pretty quick, didn't it? We may not get in. 16 ticks, all out down here. If we can get in, and we got to be careful. Well, this is how we wind up with big old days. Market's just moving well, and we just add on. $16 ticks all out. It ought to pull back into that SR level like a magnet. Touched on us, didn't touch the SR level. Alright, we're in. Let's see it. Come on down. $16 ticks, all out in the euro. 20 ticks we're still waiting on in gold. And we'll go for 15 in crude oil if we can get a fill up here at 54. All right, let's take crude oil off. We'll just manage these other two. Just a little bit more euro. All right, break even in the euro. Again, anybody that took 15 off in gold, there's nothing wrong with that, but you're already out. I'm looking for these extra 5 ticks because they add up. And I think it'll go through that pretty good in a minute. We had to kind of manage tight in the euro because this thing could come back. +1 in gold and make it a free trade. Now we don't have to. Well, there you go. We're out. Out in gold with 20 ticks. Took a little bit. We got it. Looking for 16 ticks in the euro. Whoops. Sorry about that. And we got it. Great add-on day. Great week. And there you go. Let me take this off so I'm not going to fool with that. We'll see if there's any questions. If there are, we'll deal with those. And if not, we'll enjoy this beautiful spring weather and get out and hit the links. Well, there you go. On the day when crude oil wasn't doing too much, we caught a nice trade in gold. We had to sit with it and nurse it for a while, and then 2 really nice ones in the euro. And we got not only the daily profit target plus, and a nice add-on day. Finished a great week, and so far we've done really, really well in February, just like we did in January. Here's the CFTC disclaimer. It's very important, and I urge you to read it. And remember, you can join us tomorrow. If you're interested in that, or if you just want more information, although there's not much there yet, go to my blog at www.chartsky.com or send me an email to chartskytrades@gmail.com. And thanks for watching.